The About Us section is often the heart of your website. It's where your brand stops being a logo and starts feeling human. This is your opportunity to tell visitors who you are. People aren't just looking for products or services, they're looking for confidence that they're choosing the right business. A strong About Us section builds credibility, creates connection, and can directly influence conversions. Start with your brand story. Share how your business began, what inspired it, and the challenges you've overcome along the way. Next, clearly communicate your mission and values. What drives your business? And what principles guide your decisions? Brief bios and photos build familiarity and show there are real people behind the business. Highlight achievements and milestones to reinforce credibility and demonstrate progress. Keeping it current signals transparency and builds ongoing trust. Optimize the content with relevant keywords for search visibility, and most importantly, be authentic. Write like a human, not a corporation. Your About Us section isn't just informative, it's persuasive. When done well, it tells your story, builds trust, and helps visitors choose you with confidence.